ये थोड़ा टफ मैटर है, इसलिए इसको हम A2WPM पे करेंगे।
Yes, be ready, start. I am honored to be present here with President and Secretary General and other leaders at the launch of the UN Democracy Fund full stop. This was proposed by President at the UN General Assembly last year and has received widespread acclaim full stop. Its relevance is underscored by its becoming a concrete reality in just a year's time full stop. May I take this opportunity to express our solidarity with the people of New and other regions devastated by the destructive fray of Hurricane Katrina ? Mr. President, you have our sympathies and support in your efforts to bring relief from pain to the people affected by this disaster full stop. Excellencies, India is proud of its democratic heritage, which is rooted in the country's culture, traditions of tolerance, respect for different viewpoints, and a ready embrace of diversity full stop. Mahatma Gandhi led us into a non-violent struggle not only to free India from colonial rule but to also ensure to our people the exercise of their democratic rights full stop. To him, it was clear that the end to colonial rule would mean very little unless the broad masses of the people of India were empowered with democracy full stop. We were also inspired by the ideals of freedom, equality, and justice that were the hallmark of the great French and American revolutions full stop. India's awakening to freedom in turn inspired freedom movements in Asia and Africa full stop. A whole family of independent and proud nations took their place on the world stage full stop. India emphasized with and supported their struggle to become masters of their own destiny full stop. For us, the democratic ideal is a common heritage of mankind full stop. Those fortunate to enjoy its fruits have a responsibility to share its benefits with others full stop. Next ninja, as the world's largest democracy, it is natural that India should have been among the first to welcome and support the concept of a UN democracy fund full stop. We believe that democracy based on universal adult suffrage empowers the most humble citizen of our country and give him a sense of dignity. Poverty, illiteracy, or socio-economic backwardness do not hinder the exercise of democracy full stop. Quite the contrary, our experience of more than 50 years of democratic rule demonstrates how democracy is the most powerful tool to successfully overcome the challenge of development full stop. But most of all, democracy alone gives the assurance that the developmental aspirations of the poorest citizens of our society will be taken into consideration by such programs full stop.